Everyone thinks the best-selling Rolex-inspired watches are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, BIDEN Gold Blue Chronograph. The BIDEN men's chronograph caught my eye right away with its classy gold and blue design, and at just $17.99, it's hard to resist. If you want an affordable watch that looks great for both business and casual settings, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this watch is a solid choice for you. The multifunction design features subdials for stopwatch and date, which is super handy for daily use. Plus, with a Japanese quartz movement, you can count on accurate timekeeping for over a year, saving you the frustration of constantly resetting your watch. The 3 ATM water resistance means it can handle splashes or rain, though swimming is a no-go. Now, some people complained about the watch feeling a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, while it does have some weight, it adds to the premium feel and durability, which isn't a deal breaker for most. If you're looking for a stylish yet practical watch, this could be your pick. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer something ultra lightweight. Honestly, for under $20, you really can't beat the value. Now, if the weight of the BIDEN watch bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, OLEVS Multifunction Chronograph. Next up is the OLEVS Men Analog Quartz Watch, priced at $58.77. It has a sleek design that caught my attention, especially with its diamond moon phase feature. If you want a watch that stands out while being practical, this is worth a serious look. This watch boasts a classic blue dive dial and a soft silicone strap, making it both stylish and comfortable. The Japanese quartz movement is super accurate, with an error of less than 20 seconds a month. That means you won't find yourself constantly adjusting it. Plus, it's 30 water resistant, so it can handle everyday situations without worry. Now, some users mention that the luminous feature isn't very bright. Here's the deal though, while it may not be as vibrant as some would like, the practicality and comfort of the silicone strap make up for it. If you're looking for a watch that feels good and looks good, this could be your go-to. This is perfect for you if you need a stylish yet functional watch for daily wear. Skip this one if you need a watch that shines bright in the dark. For the price point, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something more classic. Product number 3, OLEVS Big Face Waterproof Watch. Now let's talk about another stylish option, the OLEVS watches for men with a big face, priced at $43.77. The bold design and luxury feel are what grabbed my attention. If you want a watch that makes a statement, this is definitely worth a look. This watch features a high-quality Japanese quartz movement and a scratch-resistant face, which is perfect if you're clumsy like me. The luminous hands are a nice touch, though they need a little light exposure to activate. It's also 30 water resistant, so it'll handle unexpected splashes like a champ. Some users found the watch a bit bulky. Here's the thing, while it is larger, that makes it easier to read and it feels substantial on your wrist, which many people appreciate. If you want something that's both stylish and functional, this might be the right choice. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that stands out without being overly flashy. Skip this one if you prefer a more subtle design. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck with this one. Now, if the bulkiness of the OLEVS watch isn't your style, let's check out something that combines elegance with functionality. Product number 4, NIBOSI Classic Business Watch. Up next is the NIBOSI Men's Watch, priced at $37.79. The elegant design and versatility caught my eye instantly. If you're looking for a watch that transitions well from business to casual, this is worth your attention. This timepiece features a classic 1.57-inch dial and a day-date calendar display, which adds to its functionality. The stainless steel construction gives it a premium look and feel, and with a 100 FT water resistance, it's safe from splashes and rain. It's powered by a precise quartz movement, ensuring you won't be late for your next appointment. Honestly, some users have noted that the clasp can be tricky to open. Here's why I think it's still a great buy. Once you get the hang of it, the security it provides is worth it. If you want a watch that looks classy and works well, this is a solid option. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile watch for different occasions. Skip this if you're looking for something with a more modern design. At this price, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a great choice. But if you're after something with a bit more mechanical flair, the next watch might be just what you need. Product number 5, Pagani Design GMT Watch. Last but not least is the Pagani Design GMT Automatic Watch, priced at $143. This one is for those who appreciate a mechanical watch with a classic style. If you want a watch that combines craftsmanship with functionality, this is definitely worth a look. This watch features a self-winding mechanical movement, which is impressive for the price. It has a 24-hour GMT dual-time tracking, perfect for travelers, plus a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal that keeps it looking sharp. With a water resistance of 100 m, you can take it swimming without a second thought. However, some people mention the setting mechanism can be a bit confusing. Here's the thing, once you get used to it, the features make it well worth the learning curve. If you're someone who appreciates quality and style, this could be your new favorite. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and stylish watch for any occasion. Skip this if you prefer simple digital watches. It's a bit of an investment, but the quality justifies the price. So there you have it. The BIDEN Gold Blue Chronograph is a fantastic budget-friendly choice, while the OLEVS Multifunction Chronograph offers practicality and style. The OLEVS Big Face is great for making a statement, and the NIBOSI Classic is perfect for versatility. Finally, the Pagani Design GMT is a worthy investment for mechanical watch lovers. Whichever you choose, you're getting great quality at a price that won't break the bank.